What's up, guys? Alex here from Project X. We have another mod today, and you've been seeing it along on YouTube, so we decided to do it to this car. So let's get into it, and can't wait to show you guys what it is. Alright guys, this is the mod that we're having today, the HRS medium smoke tail lights. And we're gonna get into the install real quick. This is the package it came with. It has styrofoam all over. It looks pretty secure.
All you have to do is just push a little bit, put a little pressure on it, just on both sides, and they will come out. So you're gonna take this one out, right?
So it was 10 millimeters. So that's 1, 2, where else?
And 2 on this side. These two right here, we gonna leave them right there, cause from there, all we have to do is just let all this hang on here, so that way we don't take these ones out. Cause I heard that it's a bitch to take them up, or I don't want to take a risk on breaking them or something. For remove, so now you're just gonna put your fingers around here, and it has clips holding it. It's gonna pop up. So that's pretty much it with that. For this is gonna be just a clips. Just move it. There. Now we have already this hanging, and we have enough clearance. So we have this connector right here that we're gonna remove. I just use a flat screw just to push that in, and then just get it up to the front. So that way we can take, so the 8 millimeters right here that will be holding the light. This is gonna be 2 8 millimeter bolts. Another one inside, and there's a nut in here. Come this in.
Oh yeah.
Then you have to be really careful, because if not, it's gonna go down, and to be efficient, that it's gonna be hard. So. already. There it is. So we're gonna take this one right here. We're gonna leave everything else alone right now. This is our 8mm as well. And right now your tail light has just 2 clips holding it from here, so just so this is how it looks. So this is pretty easy. Just turn it. There. So now you have to remember the sequential. So you're gonna take this bolts. So it's here. This is connected here. So this is right here. This is on the bottom and this is on the top. Okay, so we're gonna take our bolts out and just gonna plug this. Okay, one of the wires that they're gonna go for the top one. Okay, so this one should go to your top light, which is right here. And there they are. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side, and I'm gonna show you guys the little thing that we run into on the other side, so that way you guys don't freak out. Live that we were already like, what the hell is going on? It's when you do this, I just plugged it like whatever, which was my mistake. So just make sure that you see your little yellow cable right there in the black. So make sure that you just go yellow with yellow, black with black. So this one is green here, but it's gonna go with your white one. Green with green. Yeah, right. Guys, so you guys we're gonna put everything back together, but right now, just gonna lift this one like that, all the way to here, and a lot of people's going and putting it under here, but for me, I really don't like that idea. So we're gonna do what we did on that side, which is just fit it through here, and then I put it through here, and then put a little bit of piece of tape on. There it is.
what's up, guys? So that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and please continue trying to support the channel. A lot of content's coming in pretty soon, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a nice day.